How to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. In this video guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can turn off autocorrect on iPhone. So the first step is to go ahead and open your settings. Click on settings. When you open your settings, I want you to look for where it says general. You can go ahead and search and use the search icon here, but for me I'm going to use the general here. So click on general. When you click on general, click on look for where it says keyboard. So scroll a bit, you're going to be seeing where it says keyboard. So click on keyboard. When you click on keyboard guys, here is where you can off or turn off your auto correction. So just go ahead and toggle this where it says auto correction. Just go ahead and toggle it off. As you can see guys, just go ahead and toggle it off. So that's one way of doing it. Another way you can do it, the fastest way you can do this, just go ahead and go to your search icon. When you go to your search icon, just go ahead and search for autocorrect. As you can see guys, auto correction is showing here. So just go ahead and click that. When you click that, it's going to take you direct to the page we just opened earlier. So just go ahead and toggle this off, turn your autocorrect. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.